Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Can I come in?
You remember the old bill, right?
You had a 12 trunk wheel when you couldn't open the trunk was blue.
Yep.
What's your name and what's in here?
My name's Demetrius. Everybody call me Bossman Impala on everything, social media.
Okay. Bossman Impala.
So we got 4 Resilient Sound Platinum 15 custom parts. On the tariffs base 15K.
Okay. What's your port tune to right now?
Around 28, 29. Okay.
Can I see the back?
It's a little ugly back there.
At least I can see the amp.
I can open the trunk now and fix it.
I like the doors. Wow. Was that 210? Was it 12 though?
I ain't never worn no Oh, the head back there. My bad.
It's alright? It's a base.
Tariff base 15K. And then PRV 6K on the mids.
Awesome. Appreciate it, man. Yes, sir. It's all good.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the quick walk around. We got a Bossman's Impala system. Was pretty impressed to get a really good 3-minute demo with me inside, and then I got 3 minutes with 2 songs outside with a reaction of the guy that got in. I went ahead and put the previous link in the description as well. When I got a demo from Slamfest about 2 years prior to this, this is what the thumbnail was at the time. I recommend checking that out so you can kind of see where he came from as a trunk system, where he broke his hatch during that demo, and now, of course, he has a walled 415-inch subwoofer system. Didn't really like the mess at the back, but he was able to show us because, hey, he was nice to let us see what it looked like, even though it wasn't the most cleanest install possible. And didn't find out how much lithium that was. I guess it's a little over 80 amp hours of lithium bank, and I know he has a high output alternator as well, with all of the power he has ran on tap. And if you notice the way his port was extended out, that helped with the low end. I could definitely play the lows really well during the demo. And when I got some outside flex, you're going to see that windshield was flexing a good bit. And the subs pretty much were rated at 2,000 watts RMS. Being a Recone system, I don't know exactly what level brand those were, but they are pretty impressive to see how low they responded. So we're getting to the demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily videos and enjoy.
All right.
walk around with my chain loose. She just bought a new ass, but got the same boo. Whipping up soap sides. That's my sauce, man. That's my sauce. Don't mind me. Get your respect in diamonds. I bought a plain Jane rolling. These niggas bought they fame. I think my back got scoliosis cause I swerved the lane. Heard you signed your life for that brand new chain. I heard. Think it came with stripes, but you ain't straight with the game.
Play some low shit. I can have my hair in the wind. What was that peak frequency at the high end? 58. 58? Ooh! Yeah. I get my nose down and my turn. Yep. You're Jacob Viral?
Oh, baby, it's DJ Rustical. What's the business, baby? I've been on your own plate in the mall, lady. You looking good. I think I seen your ass in the hood with your friends dressed up, trying to flirt. You good, but anyway, gonna drop a number or something so I can call you later on when you're home or something. Take you home.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.